Hello everyone. So with me I have Dr. Prachi Mohapatra, who is rank 5 in the INISS DM Neurology AIIMS merit list and rank 8 in the common merit list. So the first ever conducted INISS exam, and this is a huge achievement. So Prachi, the
Yes,
results
sir.
were out yesterday night, and so I'm sure that you would be ecstatic right now.
Exactly, sir. I even couldn't sleep last night. I was like so in days.
Yeah, because nobody expected the result to come, say, this
Exactly,
late.
sir. Like on Christmas and
Yeah,
that late. Obviously, I wasn't expecting, sir.
you got a great Christmas gift and a New Year gift here.
Yes.
So, okay, all right. So just tell us, just for the viewers. So when you just opened that PDF file, so
Yes,
what
sir.
was going through your mind seeing a rank 5 in a Central Institute exam?
Obviously, sir. First, like I took time to process it because, like, it's a huge achievement, sir. Like
Yeah,
getting a rank 5. Like,
all right.
yes, sir.
Super.
I was very
So,
happy, sir.
Prachi, everybody would want to know regarding you, your preparation, your journey. So, let
Yes.
me just start off by asking you, in which college did you do your MBBS and
Uh,
MD?
Sir, I did both my MBBS and MD medicine from IMS Banaras Hindu University,
Okay.
Varanasi, sir.
Okay.
And then I passed this year, sir, in June 2021, sir. And
Okay.
then, sir, like then only I would say, like, thoroughly I started preparing from DM neurology after passing my MD only, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Although,
So,
sir,
okay.
neurology I was interested from the beginning, but I thought like I should give general medicine, like no, I shouldn't give in preference to any one subject in particular during my MD period
So,
because
which means during your MD residency, you were giving emphasis to general medicine as such.
yes, sir,
You
as a
know,
whole.
Yeah, which is very important because I think we all should first try to be good physicians and then, subsequently try to be super specialist rather than, just a tunnel vision of a single
Yes,
specialty
sir.
alone. Okay. All right. So, Prachi, just tell us, how did you know about DocTutorials and when did you join?
Sir, like obviously I was interested in neurology. So after my MD exams were over, so I was just watching YouTube videos, sir, of Topper, and I watched Doc Tutorials, Pooja ma'am and Mohit sir's video. Then, sir, I got to know, and like I also searched the Telegram group, sir. Then,
Okay.
sir, I joined Doc
Okay.
Tutorials.
So for the viewers, Dr. Pooja and Dr. Mohit, they were our former students. Currently, they are doing their final year DM neurology in AIIMS Delhi. And both of them are actually very bright students, and as of now, they are doing well with their residency as well. So, Prachi, see, from the time you joined Doc Tutorial, so how was your preparation strategy with respect to, like, how did you handle the videos, the question bank? So, how was it, the preparation?
Sir, definitely, sir. The Enlight test series, I would say it is a very good like initiative on part of Doc Tutorials because so I personally have a tendency to say drag on things. Like if I get a chapter, like I just cannot stick to the schedule. So the 48 hours time, the test which was open, so that was very important. Like I would like if there is epilepsy test, so like 1 to 2 days before the actual test schedule, I would start studying epilepsy. So like I had that time limit that within 3 days I have to complete it.
Okay.
So that was very important, sir, in planning out thing. And the rest 4 days of the week, then I'll plan others. I'll read something from general medicine, or I'll read something from neurology, like extra topics. So
Okay.
that was my preparation, sir.
So for the viewers, Elite Exam Series is the series of exams that we conducted. That is topic-wise exams, in a systematic, streamlined fashion for all candidates. Because Prachi, you had good number of candidates writing the exam. So I think it was a very competitive exam. So
Yes, sir.
writing those exams, did you actually get that competitive spirit? Like, you have got
Yes,
to perform.
definitely, sir. Like I remember first time I gave the exam and I had rank 1. I wasn't expecting it at all because I had just started preparing. So I was like very motivated to like remain within top 10 at least. Like I tried to give my best, sir. And
And even if
definitely,
you
sir,
see the rank list, current rank list also, most of the candidates like yourself, Dr. Pushkar, so all these candidates who were, playing in and around the top 10, they have finally figured out in the top list as well
yes,
in
sir.
the INISS. All
Yes, sir.
right, so that is, so happy for us. So just regarding the, the course with doc tutorials. So What did
Sir,
you actually do? Like, were you watching the videos first and then went to the questions, or how was it?
sir, like actually, I had a good studied the Harrison part of neurology very thoroughly during my MD itself. So I had a good coverage of that. So keeping that in mind, like to revise that Harrison portion, it took me less time. So I just went over that. Then I say went like watched the video. Like if it will be like say headache, then I'll watch your headache video. So like you have covered all the important points regarding the recent guidelines and recent drugs and all, and then I'll just go over Bradley if there is something extra. So that was my preparation strategies.
All right. So, now comes a very important question. So, this was the first INISS exam, and many candidates who are preparing, maybe first year residents, second year residents, will be having a doubt. Are most of the questions from Harrison? Is Bradley
Uh,
necessary? So, what would be your take on that?
so definitely Harrison alone is not enough. Like that was my take because some questions were directly from Bradley, and obviously AIMS like some questions were such questions like nobody knows answers of that questions. Many were controversial
Okay.
questions. But sir, definitely Harrison alone is not enough, sir. Like you'll have to
Would
go
you say that, Bradley is something to be read cover to cover, or maybe you can
no,
focus
sir.
on tables and all?
Not cover to cover, sir. Like you can focus on table
Yes.
and something that you find extra. Like Harrison itself is a very concise and well written book. You will get maximum 80 to 90% knowledge you can get from Harrison itself only. But Bradley, obviously, sir, this recent new edition Bradley also has some new points extra that are not mentioned in Harrison. So like those points are like sir the McDonald criteria 2000, the new 2017 one. Questions were asked from that, but that is not mentioned in Harrison. That is
Correct.
mentioned in Bradley, sir.
Correct. So, which means that you're trying to say Harrison is important. You should read
Yes,
Harrison,
obviously,
having
sir.
a
The
strong base.
foundation,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Now,
Foundation Harrison is definitely important. Like you cannot skip Harrison and go to Bradley.
yeah.
Definitely, for Harrison is important. First, you have a good command over Harrison, and then you step like
Yeah, this is
get
very,
in
very
Bradley.
important because Prachi would have read spinocerebellar ataxias from, say, Harrison. And then if she looks at that table from Bradley, where, they have given the individual spinocerebellar ataxias and their peculiar features, then, she becomes very thorough in that. And we have discussed these tables in our lectures also.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So I think, she has conveyed a very important message. Harrison, your base book. Bradley, your go-to book for important tables, and maybe add on some points. All right.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
you had watched most of the lectures in
Yes,
DocTutorials app
sir.
in the neurology,
Most of the lectures, sir. Like important. Most of the lectures I have watched.
because watching the lectures, like I have tried to cover areas.
Yes, sir. I have watched your stroke lecture, and that was very helpful because once I watched that lecture, and then I went back and read the guidelines, the PPT that was given, and it was very like it stayed in my mind for a long time, sir.
Because in Harrison, it is the stroke management is not given in a
Yes, sir.
streamlined manner. It's very haphazard.
Haphazard, sir.
Yeah. All right. So, rank 5 in AIMS merit list. So just tell us what was your rank in the mock test, INISS mock test of DocTutorial.
I had sixth rank, sir.
Sixth. Okay. So here it comes to 5. All right.
Yes, sir.
So good. Now just tell us. Now I have a doubt or a doubt as a listener.
Yes,
See,
sir.
preparing for the interview because for the viewers, for the INISS exam, for AIMS selections, there is a separate interview round also, and
Yes,
your
sir. Yes.
score gets added, and that's the final AIMS merit list. So, Prachi is ranked 5 in the AIMS merit list. So, Prachi, regarding interview, what about the style of preparation for the interview? Was it same like your theory MCQ preparation,
Uh,
or what do you
no,
say?
sir. They will give you one image for sure, whether it be like a neuroradiology or from EEG, sir.
Okay.
And one case scenario they'll ask. So you like so theoretical knowledge definitely is important, but some practical knowledge, sir.
Okay.
And obviously, sir, the mock sessions, although we got very less time, but sir, that definitely helped, sir,
Yeah,
because
because there was very less time between the
yes, sir.
date result declarement and the actual interview, because last time we had more time.
Yes,
So
sir.
we
It
did so
was
many sessions. But
only
even in this limited time, you
yes.
remember, even before the results announced, I had shared the previous year interview questions which I got from the students, in
Yes,
the
sir,
group.
that was definitely helpful because, sir, the imaging picture that I got was of MS, sir. It was partial open ring sign.
Yeah.
I like personally didn't know of that sign until Chitraganda ma'am, like saw her, like she had mentioned
Yeah,
that this is how you
yeah,
read it.
yeah. Because I had shared Chitrangada was my student and she is currently in AIIMS. So,
Yes,
I just had messaged Chitrangada also before the interview. Chitrangada, like my students are preparing. So, can you just share your questions? Like, so she shared a good list of questions also.
yes,
So I
that
had put in that
was
group also.
definitely because as soon as they showed the image, I was like, okay, this is MS. I
Yeah.
just have to like now tell the
But
DDL
again, but again,
approach.
it's important. It's not about spot diagnosis
Yes,
alone.
sir,
You've got
yes,
to
sir. Like
describe.
I was just happy that I just like had that diagnosis in mind. Then I like went across like
Because
along the
in the
flow.
mock interview sessions also, like, I was making you all to
Yeah,
say
yes,
how
sir,
to
yes, sir,
describe an image.
yes, sir.
Because, it's not about in the central institute, it's not about spotter itself. You have got to describe the image. So because see, that is the way how they assess whether a resident has actually seen these images while you were in residency or just read the report.
Yes,
So
sir.
once you describe a image properly, they are sure, okay, this candidate knows how to read an image.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
definitely, sir. Like that spontaneous flow that like I could have was
Yeah.
like the
Yeah.
mock
Because
interview
I
really
should
helped.
thank all my previous students also. I think most of them actually send me all the questions, and so that
Yes, sir,
I could
yes,
share with you. And next time, definitely, I'd require your help also. Like, to
definitely,
help
sir.
your junior batches also. Like, you have already
Definitely.
shared the questions. I know, like,
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
after the interview, I was very happy that everyone who took the interview personally messaged me the questions, and so that it will be helpful for the upcoming batch.
Yes,
So
sir,
we'll be
yes, sir.
definitely conducting interview sessions also for the upcoming batch.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Prachi, just tell us, like, you said neurology has fascinated you, but if I ask you why neurology and why not say another branch, what would you say?
So like from my MBBS time only, this was the branch like I was obviously so neurology and cardiology I think are the two subjects that in MBBS time they are more focused on. And so neurology was something from that time only I was like very excited. It like say it gives the thrill of diagnosing something that is not found in other subjects. Like you have a proper you take history, you like jot down the differentials, then you narrow the differentials. I think that structural approaches, sir, it is mainly in neurology, sir.
As you rightly said, a right balance of clinical acumen and
Yes,
theoretical
sir.
knowledge.
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes,
is
sir.
there in neurology. So, which is why, it is a very fascinating branch.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely, sir.
All right.
Because of COVID, sir, we could have very less exposure, but
Yeah.
whatever like time, whatever cases like I got, I was like very neurology, obviously, sir, definitely fascinated me
Okay.
from
Okay.
yes,
All
sir.
right. So, okay. Now, what advice would you want to give to, say, the newly joining residents, like there will be first year residents listening to you right now,
Yes,
when
sir.
we share it with them. So what advice you want to give them? Obviously, you have said one thing: first focus on medicine,
Yes,
because
sir.
that is where the
Definitely,
charm
sir.
is. They've
Because
got to
now,
be,
sir, the pattern is has also changed.
yeah,
Even in
right.
INISS, they are asking like I think 25 to 30% were from general medicine itself. So if your general medicine part is not strong, so like that will be a major blow, sir.
Just tell us, how was the question pattern? Like, was it on the tougher side, the first exam, the MCQ exam?
Sir, I found it a bit on the tougher side, definitely, sir. Because the questions were quite lengthy. I found it like they were
Okay.
lengthy and some were a bit confusing also.
Usually, unlike the AIIMS exams for the PG level,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
which are long stem questions, usually for super specialty they have shorter questions.
Short stem
Usually.
questions,
But
usually.
this time I think they were longer questions. And what about the medicine questions? How was the level of toughness of medicine questions?
Medicine questions, sir. Like I think the main topic that they asked from were electrolytes and so that miscellaneous parts of poisoning and all.
Yeah.
They had asked question from that, and some were from carcinoma, like oncology and all.
So you would definitely suggest that you have got to be strong in your medicine as well.
Especially so the basics, the fluid electrolytes part. I think fluid electrolyte, vitamins.
Yeah.
These are the parts like I found there were questions from that, and also
Okay.
from
All right.
poisoning parts, like miscellaneous
Okay. Okay.
for AIMS.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
So, so what message do you want to give the residents, like, those who are joining?
So I
Regarding
definitely,
preparation, how to when to start preparation. Like if I ask you, I'm joining residency, when to start preparation for SS?
So I personally started after my MD, but like if you can manage time, like you can, obviously it's important to cover Harrison like during your second year or third year. Like it's obviously better to have a good hold of medicine.
Okay.
And then you focus on that part. Obviously, first from Harrison only. Like I focused on neurology like towards the end of my third year, I would
Okay.
say. I
Okay.
started focusing more on neurology, but not that MCQ oriented, but to clear my knowledge concept. Like I had
Okay.
also read one to two few chapters from Bradley also like for my MD
Okay.
exam also.
Okay.
So like the best time would be the second year if you can do it,
Okay.
but not compromising your general medicine at the same time, sir.
Okay. All right. So, she has given a very good overview on preparation for INISS, her inputs on like the exam pattern, how to prepare, what is the level of questions that they give you in INISS, about interview, how to prepare for the interview. So I think definitely the viewers will be much benefited seeing this interview, because many students, since INISS is a new exam, they have a doubt how to prepare. How can I get into a central institute? So,
Yes,
Prachi, the last question to you.
sir.
To get into a central institute, which is you're almost there, you just have to select because you are AIIMS 5 and Common Merit List 8. So,
Yes.
it is at your disposal. But just tell us, do you have to be a super brain or is hard work important? What do you want to say?
No, sir, definitely super brain. Obviously, that has a role, but hard work is important, sir.
Yeah,
Like if
because
you
you had
are,
definitely worked hard and you were very consistent also. Like
yes,
as I can see from the elite exam results also, you were consistently, trying to be in the top 10 and you were there in most of the instances. All
yes, sir.
right. Okay. So thank you so much, Prachi, for joining in. And
Thank you, sir.
on your professional life and personal life, we wish you all success.
Thank
Okay.
you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.